Old Commodore Gray had a dog and a cat, with a big bow wow and a little meow. They all lived together with never a spat. How in the world did they ever do that? With a big bow wow and a little meow, meow.
Bow wow,
Meow,
bow wow.
meow. The cat and the dog had a barrel of fun, with a big bow wow and a little meow. Although they were different, they fooled everyone. Commodore Gray proved a lot can be done with a big bow wow and a little meow, meow.
Bow wow,
Meow,
bow wow.
meow. Old Commodore Gray often said to the crew, with a big bow wow and a little meow. Though each man among us is different, it's true. My cat and my dog get along, so can you. With a big bow wow and a little meow, meow.
Bow wow,
Meow.
bow wow.
With a big bow wow and a little meow. Meow.